I'm Benes, and this is the BuildFlow series. Today we go into the CRM system, the properties and pipelines I built before anything else. This is the base the entire system sits on. And so without wasting much time, I'm going to start with the contact properties. AI qualification score and AI qualification summary gets populated by Claude. So when a rep opens a contact, the score and the summary are already there. Estimated budget, project description, project interest, lead source details can all be found on the form, and they feed into the AI qualification system. I'm going to be delving deeper into the AI qualification system in the next video. Now, so what is the lead source? The lead source details, this is where it talks about where the lead is coming from. Is it coming from Google Ads? Is it coming from Typeform? Where is this lead coming from? We have the project interest. What type of project are they interested in or are they inquiring about? Then we have the project description, which is information about the project, what they need us to do for them. Then estimated budget is basically the amount of money they are willing to spend on the project. So let's move on to the company properties. So company properties, I kept lean intentionally, just the company type. That's enough for the salesperson to understand who they are speaking to, what the company is into. Then I'm moving to the deal properties. And so the deal properties, this is where the sales context lives. Okay, we are talking about the project type, the site address, the estimated value, the estimate sent date. All of these specifics feed into how the trade contractor actually sells. And also when you take something like the site address, we need to understand, or we need to know where the site address is, so that we know, is this in our service area? Follow-up status and deal health flags are also both set automatically by workflows, so the rep does not have to even touch any of these as well. Then we have the project handoff, where the rep fills this at the end of the deal, or when the deal is close won. It gives you information about what has happened on the deal, and once this deal is handed over to the operations team, they get the entire scope without having to chase anybody or trying too hard to get information. So let's talk about the pipelines. Okay, talk about the pipelines. Okay, so we have two pipelines in the system, the BuildFlow Sales Pipeline and then the re-engagement pipeline. And so with the BuildFlow Sales Pipeline, we have it in 6 stages, starting from new inquiry, then site visit schedule, then estimate sent, then estimate follow-up, then in negotiation, closed won, or close lost. And every stage reflects how specialty contractor actually sells. Estimate sent and follow-up stage is where most deals die silently, and so separating them gives us visibility into exactly where opportunities are stalling. Okay, and one very important design decision is that we don't create deals automatically from form submission. Rather, we allow the rep to qualify the lead first, and then they create the deal manually. That keeps the pipeline clean and trustworthy. The second pipeline is the re-engagement pipeline. This is for closed lost deals that get a second chance. It consists of 5 stages, which is simple and focused: the re-engagement, enrolled, contacted, interested, converted, or not interested. And so all the properties that we've built all properties were built with intentions, okay, from contact to company to deals, and they are all going to have their purposes. And as we proceed in this project, we're going to understand why we built what we built. And the pipeline was also built around how the business actually operates. And so in the next video, I'm going to delve into very 4 core automations that run the sales process in the background. Thank you, and see you in the next.